Hi friend, this is Amit. As 7th April Shift 1 exam is done now, and it is one of the toughest exam of this year of JEE Mains. That is along with 3rd Shift 2, 4th Shift 1. You can consider this also as a tougher exam. So what will be the expected marks versus percentile based on that? Information of difficulty, that is based on the difficulty level. Here I am with the information. For 99.9, 245 marks is required. For 99.5, 200 marks. For 99, 170 only. For 98, 155. 97, 140. 96, 130 only, because paper was very tough. Tricky question was there from chemistry, physics and math as usual was lengthy and difficult. So here, as you can check on the screen, all counseling on JEE score and other entrance exam like VIT, Manipal, BITSET, I will be guiding you. In the next section, kindly check the detail of my guidance. So for 95, 120, 93, 110, 90 marks is required. 85, only 80 marks is required. For 80, 75 marks is required. For 75, 67 marks required. 70, 58 marks. For 65, 40. For 60, 40 marks is required. For 50, 33 marks is required. And for 40, 26 marks only required. This was about the marks versus percentile. Now complete guidance for all college across India. So once you join this, you will get the best college by the end of this year academic season. That is 100% sure. Guidance for JEE, BITSET, BIT, Nepal, Amrita, COMEDK, SRM and many other colleges like WBIT, JEE, KSET, STCET, GoodSET. There are lots of college and college counseling also. Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, multiple counseling. So get best college and branch for sure. That is 100% sure, as I am having the 6-7 of years of experience and best strategy and roadmap for each exam, how you should enroll in examination, how to prepare for that and how to get the best result, and then how to get the best college with best fee and best branch as well. One-to-one call, message, video session, everything is available, and counseling will be one-to-one only. Then only you will be able to ask all the questions. And until you get into the best college, I will be guiding you. Choice filling, decision making, that is very important thing that I will be doing for you. Personalized choice filling for you, what should be the correct order, decision making after each round, freeze, float, slide, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. I will discuss advanced cutoff. For general, 110 to 15 marks is required. Percentile will remain same, 93 to 94, but marks requirement is 110 to 15 in this particularly to get the eligibility for advance. For OBC, 75 to 77, EWS 77 to 79, SC 40 to 42, ST 30 to 32, and PWD just need to reach the center again. You are qualified. So this was the complete information regarding 7th April Shift 1 marks versus percentile and expected category wise cutoff. Thank you.